We've just acquired this lovely Mazda 6 2 litre petrol sport. It's top of the range and fully loaded with extras. As you can see, it's got the front park distance control, headlight lamp wash for xenon lights, upgraded sport alloy wheels, got rear park distance control and reverse camera, got bumper protector on the front, on the back there, lovely boot, it's spacious, and you can put the rear seats down. They're split rear seats, electric windows, electric mirrors, Bose stereo system, full leather seats, electric memory seats, heated seats, satellite navigation, lane assist, RVM, cruise control, multifunction steering wheel. What hasn't it got? I'll just start it up for you. 45,843 miles, all the warning lights go off. There's your cruise control, multifunction steering wheel for stereo and your phone, satellite navigation, climate control, 3-stage heated seats, 6-speed gearbox, iDrive controller, USB point in the centre, reverse camera with PDC, climate control. It is very nice and cold, that is. I've probably missed a few bits out, but there you have it. If you need any further information, please give us a call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.